Okay, let's see. No, not yet. Now it is. All right, so this side is good. Yep. Okay. Let's do it all the way around. Okay, and let's move on the other side. This is a really heavy wheel. Okay. Soap, water, all the way around. And let's start again. Same thing. Which way? This way. All right, this is done too. Okay. Taking it off shouldn't be that bad. From what I understand, you're taking it off here at the valve because it's gonna drop in the channel there. Okay, I got it. And come on. All right. Okay, let's move it under the disc. Okay, let's pick another one. Okay. All right, so I think one side is almost ready. Yep, see, this side is done. Okay, now I'm gonna take the tube out. All right, so from this side, I'm gonna try to push it in and pull it out. Done. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna replace this. This is the Metzler one. I'm gonna put I got a Mitas heavy duty. Usually how I saw stuff going on is like people are putting it like this. They're putting a spoon there and then do some of this. Yeah, so how I saw people doing it. It's going in there like this. Of course, it's a bit harder, but it is doable. think. Yeah. So you put it in like this, you push it out, and it should come out. Oh wow. Oh, it was pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie. I'll have to measure this. This started at 11. This, I'm not sure, we'll see. All right, so time for a new tire. So first I'm gonna clean the wheel for a bit. I'm gonna use some silicone. Okay. And what's the rotation on this guy? Okay. So the rotation should be like this, but it is like this. A rotation like this. Silicone. Let's see if it still works. Let's check rotation again. Yes. All right. So I saw somebody just doing this. Yeah, okay, it didn't work. But, yep, here you go. So one side is just like snapping in. That's what I learned. Internet is your friend. So now it has a mark which is supposed to be the lightest from the tire. It's gonna be at the valve right there. There's a green mark. So good rotation. And just let's install the tube. And we'll see how the other side goes. So in order for me to install the tube, I'm gonna use some baby powder and put it on the tube. I'm just gonna go outside to put this on. I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna put this through the hole here, feeding it. Okay. And now I am gonna, this thing here is just screws in this. So in the end, you will be able to pull this through the hole. So when you use this, this will go in. You pull this. Let's see. Okay. Let's see where you are. There you go. See? That's what I'm saying. Beautiful. There you go. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna put this back so I can pump the tire for a little bit. Pump the tube so I don't pinch it when I put this back on. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of air in the tube before trying to mount the tire. Not too much. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so the way they're saying now is to start mounting here because it's not falling into the channel there. So it has to go into the channel here, like the middle channel. So to do that, again, some silicone that I heard that is working well. And on the rim, one thing that I learned last time to help with keeping this in the middle channel on the other side is to put some this here. So putting like some keys here, okay, it's gonna help the tire staying in the middle channel on the other side and helping us mounting it. Okay, all right, let's start. Okay, all right. Well, the start is pretty easy, so usually. Yeah, and be careful not to pinch the tube. Try to grab not a lot. Okay. Yeah, this looks easy at the beginning. I need something under my knees. Oh, that's one fell. Okay. Let's see how hard it's gonna be at the end. That's where the okay. All right. Let's have this one here because this one is easier to work with. Let me put another one here. Okay. That's gonna come off. Okay, let's spray some more of this. All right. Come on. Come on, it can't be that easy. Come on. Oh my God. That was easy. And that was easy. I mean, holy smokes. Wow, okay. Let's take this out. Okay, so now time for balancing. We got this kit with some bearings. I'm going to try to find the heaviest spot on the wheel. I'm going to take the existing off. Okay, so now I'm going to rotate a bit and see where it lands. Let's see if it's turning back. It's actually not turning back. Okay, so for now, this is the lightest. Okay, let's see if it stops in the same spot. Okay, so now it stopped here on top. Let's try again. Alright, so it looks like this way it spins, and okay, so it rests, crimp. Okay, so now let's see if we made this point heavier. Only this weight fixes it, so let's put it right up to the, right up there. Okay, let's crimp. Okay, all good. All right. All right, so everything is back together. The installation back went smoothly. No worries. Wheel spins pretty good. Yep. Yeah, the torque is, as I said, that bolt is 100 Newton meter. It's pretty tight, so get a torque wrench, do it properly. Do the chain again, tighten the chain the way it's supposed to be, and it looks good. It looks good. Can't wait to take it off-road, see if there is any improvement on the Mitas, but based on how the knobs looks like, it should be. And because I just installed it, I'm gonna measure it. Let's see what's in the middle. So in the middle is 10.5, maybe 10. Okay, so I think it's 10. Let's see, is the line right there? Yep. So it's 10, almost a bit past 10 maybe. On the sides, on this side actually is less. So sides are less. Sides are like 8. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.